If you could outsource six-pack abs, would you? Seriously, if you could say to someone, you do all my sit-ups, you eat the right food in the right proportions for me, you go out and run the 7 miles every morning at 5 a.m., and I get to keep the six-pack abs, would you do it? I'm thinking a lot of people would. The promise of six-pack abs is why we buy ab blasters and protein shakes. The problem is we know that these are shortcuts. They just won't deliver on the results we're looking for. We know it's behavior change, not the latest magic pill that's required to get the job done. So what does this have to do with parts manufacturing, you ask? Well, everything. We see it all the time whenever a facility tries to address a problem with a widget or a tool. Experiencing high waste costs? Buy an evaporator. Have a rust event? Change the RP chemistry. A part cleanliness issue? Add a washer to the process. These may in fact be appropriate strategies, but only if you are controlling the process variables that lead to the problem you were trying to solve. Most times, behavior change is what's truly required, not the hope of a shiny new object. The path to world class is filled with tension, the tension between reaching 100% quality, 100% on time at the lowest cost per part possible. We have to drive OEE up while driving costs down, and that requires behavior change. What's the behavior change I'm talking about? Well, data-driven decision-making combined with timely corrective action, true condition management with a robust plan, do, check, act process management strategy. To get the results we are after, lower waste costs, zero rust events, 100% part cleanliness compliance, etc., we need to know our lead metrics and then take timely corrective action to keep our process in control. Only then should we consider adding in shiny new objects, confident it truly will drive our cost per part down. So, can you outsource six-pack abs? No. But you can outsource the non-core processes that are hurting your OEE and adding waste and wasteful activity to your operation. We'd love to show you how. Thank you.